Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Scholastic with another amazing short video. In this video, we are going to learn how to apply mail merge. Mail merge is a feature in Microsoft Word that allows you to create and send personalized documents to multiple recipients. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Here I have certificate template in MS Word. You can create custom template as per your need. I will attach the link of the file in description. I have an Excel file which contains the name and course of the certificate awardees. Make sure to border the list, otherwise it will not generate the certificates. Now go back to the Word file, go to the mail link, click Start Mail Merge, select Step by Step Mail Merge, select the document type. I am selecting the letter, click Next. How do you want to set up your letter? I want to use the current document, click Next, click Next. Now choose the list from where you want to import the names and the courses of the awardees. Choose the list, click Open Now, select the sheet, select the record you want to access, click OK, click Next. Now select the fields in the specified place on the document, click Insert. I want to add courses as well, so click Insert, click Next. Now you can see the name of the first recipient. Move forward and backward to see the records. You can also exclude the recipient if you want to. Click Next. I want individual records that won't print if there is an error. Always edit individual records. I want to merge all the records. Click OK. Now you can see the merged document. That's it for today. Hopefully this video was informative for you. Stay tuned for the exciting videos coming up next. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care.